Good evening, Southeast Texas. A cool and calm night ahead of us. I can't say that for Sunday, though. So unfortunately, we got some bad weather to report, and we're going to get right into it. So this is a live look at our Roofing 911 Skycam network, 79 degrees right now over downtown Beaumont, courtesy of Packard LaPrade. We're seeing 63% for that humidity, so we will start to see those numbers go up as we head into tomorrow, and a surge of moisture does push into the area. That's going to set us up for a bit of some showers as we head into Sunday's forecast. 69 right now in Orange, 73 in Port Arthur, 71 up towards Kirbyville, 68 in Jasper, and we will be in the middle and lower 60s for tonight's forecast. Across the state, we are seeing middle and lower 70s in around the area, and it doesn't look like any showers as of right now. We are seeing a few coming off the coast, pushing in towards, let's say, Houston, and then it looks like for the most part it's looking pretty dry out there, and that's because of that dry air over our area. That's going to change as we head into tomorrow. We're going to start to see tropical moisture pull through as those winds do shift off towards the south, and then we do get that disturbance that will be rolling through the area, pushing towards Brownsville. So we are monitoring that. The moisture coming with that disturbance really is what's going to set us up for that rainy weather that we're going to be seeing for the first half of next week, and the potential for some heavy rainfall. So we do see that disturbance. It does push off towards the east by Wednesday, so that could be good news because that means lower moisture, and then that will drop our rain chances as we head into the later half of next week. So right now, this is a satellite radar shot of Invest 94L. So it's right here. It's already producing some pretty heavy rainfall for Central America into the Yucatan Peninsula and for southwest portions of the Gulf of Mexico. So seeing it's still pretty disorganized, it's starting to get better development. As of tomorrow, this could be a tropical depression, our next named storm, as it continues to push off towards southern Texas. So next name is Nicholas on the list. So Nicholas is definitely going to be causing some trouble for us as we head into this week. We have a 90% chance of development within the next 48 hours and 5 days. So again, Sunday, if it doesn't develop into a tropical depression Sunday, then the latest early Monday. So this is a look at modeling right now, our spaghetti ensemble modeling. This is not a final track. Of course, as it develops, we'll get a better consensus. And as the Hurricane Hunter's aircraft goes out tomorrow, we'll see kind of the impacts and the intensity of this storm. So right now, models are taking it into the northeast coast of Mexico. It's going to push off towards Brownsville, and it looks like it does move inland towards Houston and then into Beaumont. So again, this is just too early to determine as of right now until we get that tropical depression. So once we get that development, we will get to see a better consensus of where this thing is going to go, how much it's going to intensify. Is it going to be a tropical storm, or is it going to actually be a hurricane? We don't know. Too soon to tell. So right now, rainfall totals are ranging from 4 to 5 inches according to the Euro. For the GFS, it's going about let's say 2 to 4 inches in the triangle. A much drier forecast with 1 to 2 inches up towards the lakes area. This is from the time span of Sunday into Wednesday, so it is in that 4-day time span. So Weather Prediction Center is going with about 7 inches in the triangle, about 5 inches up towards the lakes area. So as we head into Sunday evening, we're going to see about a 10-20% chance, slight risk of excessive rainfall. So when you get to that slight risk, that means you're going to get periodic flash flooding, more widespread, and it's going to, those chances do go up. So it's marginal for inland portions of Jasper, Newton, and then southern portions of Tyler County. As we head into Monday, all day, slight risk for most of the area. So for the triangle, inland portions of southeast Texas and then up towards Jasper, Tyler, Newton counties, we will be seeing a marginal risk. So of course that could change as we get that development. So as we head into tonight, mostly clear skies. Those temperatures are going to drop down into the middle 60s here in the triangle, low 60s up towards the lakes area. As we head into tomorrow morning, already reaching the 80s by the afternoon, we will start to see increasing cloudiness, and then we do see those showers off the coast push in. So most of the rain tomorrow throughout the day, we're going to go with the 50% coverage for the coastal and triangle areas, and then for the lakes area, much drier forecast, about a 20% coverage. And then as we head into tomorrow evening, potential for heavy rainfall headed into Monday. Out on the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, choppy seas. We will see 2 to 4 feet and east winds 10 to 15 knots. Small craft advisory in effect, just a no-go as that system does make its way into the northern portion of the Gulf of Mexico, so we will see showers and thunderstorms there. Mostly clear out there, cool, more humid tonight, so it's not going to feel like that ooh la la kind of weather that we've been getting the last few days. And then as we head into Sunday, we're going to go about 50% coverage for the triangle, 20% for the lakes area. Heavier rain as we head into Sunday night into Monday, and we're going to go red bar days just because of that potential for flash flooding on Monday, Tuesday, potentially Wednesday, and then our rain chances will continue to decrease as we end off our week, and that system does track more towards the east.
Christiana, I think that you branded this past week pretty well with ooh la la weather, because the weather was so nice and cool, and I'm a little bit sad to see that we're not going to get it this week, and it's going to be a little bit of flooding, it looks
yeah,
like.
and you know, I mean, we've had that drier, warmer weather, so we do need a little bit of rain, so I just don't think we need this much rain. And of course, like I said, once we get that development, we'll get a better consensus of kind of those rainfall totals, because right now we're seeing that fluctuate a little bit up and down, kind of models are disagreeing, but 5 to 8 inches, I think we can handle within that 3 to 4 day span. I think we can handle it. I don't think it's going to be.
Let's hope so. I think we'll be okay, but let's just hope that it doesn't get too bad. So.
No. You know, yeah. we're gonna have hopefully nothing up to our thighs or anything like that, because that's when it doesn't get too fun. But we'll probably be out there reporting if that happens.
That is definitely true.
No matter what, we'll be here. We'll be tracking it for you, and we'll give you the latest. So.
Yes, we will. And